Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Motorola Edge 60 Neo stuck on boot screen after an update. So, if your phone is hanging on the Hello Moto logo after the Android 16 update, as you guys can see, my Motorola works just fine, but if yours is just hanging there displaying the same thing, what you guys want to do, let me just quickly go over and power off the device, and I'll show you what to do. First, once it shuts down, we will be basically in the same situation. So what are we going to do is we're going to go over, press the power button, volume down button. Now we keep on holding them. And as you guys can see here, we open up the Fastboot. So what are we going to do is we're going to use our the volume down button, and we want to select recovery mode. We're going to click on the power button, and if you see no command on your screen after the Hello Moto logo, then I'll show you what to do. Sometimes you see no command, you wonder what to do because nothing is working. Press the power button and the volume up button. Now you can simply hold it or you can let go and you will be in the recovery. So here you have the reboot system now. Now we're gonna press on it and we're gonna simply press on the power button. And as you guys can see, we should be loading into our system. But if that doesn't work, if it still hangs here for you, if nothing else is happening, if you see this logo, if the screen goes dark, then you see the logo again, I'll show you what to do once we see if we resolved our issue. So you should see our Motorola animation. If you're not loaded, then press simply I'll show you what to press. Let me just turn off the device again. We're gonna go over into the Fastboot again by pressing the power button and the volume down button. At the same time, we wanna press and hold it. Once we do that, we wanna open our recovery mode again. And as the last resort, we're gonna reset everything. So we're gonna select recovery mode, power button. Now it is loading up our recovery mode. We're gonna press and hold the power button and the volume up button. As you guys can see, we have to hold it a little, then we can let go and we are here. What are we gonna do? We're simply gonna scroll down and we want to go to wipe data and factory reset. We want to press here and go to factory data reset. That way, after you click it, you will get rid of everything on your phone. So I hope you had backup, and this will basically restore your system. Maybe it's just the system issue, and after that everything will load up. So that's what you guys can do. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.